My car dey chop fuel, my car dey chop fuel. Come here. Let me show you 10 ways to reduce the fuel consumption of your car. Number 1, maintain the proper tire pressure. Now, many of you, when they tell you that you should inflate your tire to kinikon psi, you will not answer. You say no, you go tell me wetin I go do. You be doing head like amelekite. You don't know that you are affecting your tire. Now, what happens is, if your tire is pumped more than the advised psi, it means that you, on hot days, you risk blowing out your tire. Yes. If your tire is pumped lesser than the psi, for example, they say pump your tire to 40 psi and then you do it to 35 and say, more, the rest, you come and collect it from my grandmother, and you pump your tire to 35 psi. What's going to happen is that your tire is going to be flabby. The acceleration will not be all right. The movement would be, you would notice that your car is shaking somewhat. Yes. Those kind of things will cost you more fuel in the long run. Number 2, reduce excess waste. My brother, those 10 pairs of shoes you have in your boot, you are not going to wear them. Go and keep them in your house. Your boot is not meant to be your wardrobe. Anything you don't need in your car, remove it and keep it in your house. When you have excess load in your car, it causes you to use more fuel. It's like I'm climbing up the stairs and you give me 2 kegs of water to be carrying, and I'm walking up the stairs without keg of water. Which one will make me more tired? Yes. So if you have excess load in your car that you're not using, please remove it and keep it in your house. Thank you. Number 3 would be rapid acceleration and braking. Many of you, may you not just see small road like this, you don't press and no, don't do that. Accelerate gently, brake gently. If you continually accelerate aggressively and brake aggressively, you're going to spend more fuel than just casually driving along. Yeah, so those of you that are always doing like Dugbe to LA is your fast and furious road, please drive gently and then you would save more fuel. Number 4 would be to turn off your car when you are idling. For example, you are at a traffic light and then traffic light is showing you 99, and then after 10 seconds it's still at 99. My brother, please just turn off your engine and wait for it to count down, because if you keep your car running while you are idling, except you're using like your AC or something, if you continually leave it like that, you are going to burn more fuel that would have taken you further. You burn it in traffic. Yes. So avoid places that would cause you to be stopping for long time. Number 5 would be to use the right engine oil. You don't know how much the engine oil actually costs you fuel. So I see many people say that after I serviced my car, I bought fuel from this place and the fuel did not last long. Meanwhile, you use the wrong oil to service your engine. So if you use the right oil, it would save you more fuel in the long run. So for example, if you're using a high-end car, they would show you the exact type of oil to use. There's some cars that will show you on the oil cap, they will show you 5W-20 castor or something like that. So if you see anything like that on your engine cover, please, whatever engine oil they recommended there, please use that engine oil. It would save you fuel in the long run. So you might be looking at it, how much is fuel? I will buy another one. But if you calculate it within, say, the next 5 years that you own the car, you would see that the money that you'd have saved would be a lot, and then you can use it to do something else in your car. So number 6 would be to service your car regularly. Many of you will not service your car. You'll be driving your car until the oil in your car forms sludge. Like, please don't do that. It is recommended, depending on the oil you use, it's recommended to service your car, say, once every 3 to 6 months, or between, say, 5,000 and 10,000 miles. So depending on the kind of car you use, the amount of times you drive it, the distance you drive it, and where you service it. So take that into consideration and then service your car very, very regularly. Number 7 would be overusing your AC. This is a little bit controversial. For me, when I'm driving, I like to leave my AC on. But on cooler days, on days that are not generally hot, you can reduce your AC, or you can turn it off generally on lower speeds, of course, because if you leave your windows down on higher speed, it causes drag, and then it causes you to even use more fuel before you're trying to conserve. So if you are driving within town at lower speeds on cool days, you can just turn off your AC and use natural breeze. Number 8 would be to plan your trips and to avoid places with a lot of traffic. For example, you can plan your trips, you can plan all your trips into one. You want to pick up your laundry, you want to get to the market, you want to get fuel, you want to do all of those things. You can combine all of those into one, such that you do all of those in one trip, instead of you go and get fuel, you come back, you go and get your laundry, you come back, you go and get something else, you come back. That way you would spend more fuel. And then in all of this, plan your trip to avoid places with high traffic. You can use Google Map to navigate your path, to know where I want to go to X place. I'll punch it in on Google Map and say that, oh, if I take this route, there's traffic on this route, I can take this other route. And yeah, that would help you to save more fuel. Number 9 would be to buy fuel from very reputable sources. Just generally buy fuel from reputable sources. I will not mention it. Buy fuel from reputable sources. Number 10 would be to use cruise control. Now, I am careful to give this advice because many of us don't know what cruise control is. I should make a video about your cruise control and then how to use it. But if you know how to use your cruise control on open roads, on when you are like on the highway that is not too curvy, yeah, there's not a lot of traffic, you can use your cruise control. What that does for you is that it stops you from doing a lot of braking and acceleration, which takes more fuel. So until I come your way again, continue being real wise. Cheers.